Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are gonna get ready. I know the sound is irritating, I know. Just bear with me for a little bit because I'm not gonna speak that much in this vlog. Okay, so today is Saraswati Puja and I'm gonna get ready for Saraswati Puja and I'm gonna vlog the whole of it. Like from getting ready, I mean for a day, for an occasion, it's a different thing. You get to do, you have to do your hair, you have to do your whole body, you have to do your sari. Literally, I have sari to wear. Then your hair, then your jewelries, then your shoes, and then choose your bag. It's a whole other thing. For me, it like takes a lot of time. So I'll take you guys with me on this journey because it's like actually it's like a roller coaster. Like I can't find this, I can't find that, and this is wrong, this is not right, I have to do it, redo it. I will take you with me, and we have currently, this is 9:30, we're gonna go at 11, so we have 1.5 hours, I guess. 9:30, 10:30, 11, yeah, 1.5 hours. So let's get started. We have to get ready. First of all, I'll wear the sari because mummy is gonna go to her own school. I'm gonna go to my school, but just before that I need to get ready first. So I'll get ready first, then I'll do my makeup, hair, makeup, everything. So yeah. So let's start with cleansing my face first. I'm cleansing my face with this. This is the best cleanser I own. This is from Glyza face wash. It's actually dermatologist recommended. And then I'm using gulabari. This is the rose water I use. Then I'm using toner. This is from Plum, and you just dab it on your face. You don't have to press it very hardly. This is the moisturizer I'm using, and then I'm using 50 SPF, SPF of course, and this is from Camille. This is one of the best sunscreen you can have in the market. Okay, it is also dermatologist recommended. This is the inside primer. I've already made a video on this. I'm just obsessed with this, so yeah, I'm using that. Then I'm using a concealer to partly conceal the portions which are dark spots and all portion. You can see how bad my skin looks right now. Then I'm using the Pond's BB cream. Of course, this is my go-to. I have actually 5 to 6 packs of these. It's like for 2 years I'm okay. And then I'm mixing it with moisturizer for sure, and then I'm applying it. I love to do this. Okay, look at my skin, it looks flawless right now after applying this. That's why I love this BB cream, and I just use it every single day. And I'm using concealer from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade I'm gonna mention. Okay, don't worry. Okay, this conceals my dark spots like magic. Okay, this is the best concealer, but this is a little darker than my skin tone, so I always do apply another sunscreen on top. This is the sunscreen I'm applying. This is actually from Swiss Beauty, and I love their concealer. The coverage, their consistency, their coverage, their everything is very nice. And look at that, it did highlight my under eyes so very good. And then I'm spritzing a little bit of setting spray, and then if set with the setting spray, if you spritz and then you apply on your face, and your makeup just melts and blends very easily. Then I'm applying a little bit of powder. This powder is not that great, let me tell you. I seem to think it's great, but after a little while it becomes very cakey, so I've stopped using this. Then I'm using the Earth Rhythms blush, of course, in the shade Cherry Red. And this is actually amazing. Actually, I didn't love this at first, but now when you don't use a hand, when you use a hand it becomes very bad, but use a beauty blender, it does blend very easily. Then I'm just using a transition shade, a little light brown transition shade, that's it. And then I'm applying kajal, and this process is very hard for me because I have to see what I'm applying or else I can't do, so I'm using the mirror. And you just have to apply a lot, okay, and trust the process. It will look horrendous at first. After you apply mascara, then only it's gonna look good. Look at that, it does look horrendous. Now you have to just apply it properly and set it with a black eyeshadow. You need to set it, because or else it's just gonna be a disaster after a while. You know, when you go out, it's gonna look disaster. There's a technique I use for mascara. I just use powder and then put it inside tube when it's just like in the last few days of mascara. I just use this, and look at that results. It's amazing, right? I am actually honored to have great lashes. I'm not bragging, but yeah, I do have great lashes, so I don't need great mascaras, but it does work for me. I'm using the inside highlighter. This is my favorite. Again, I've made a video on this, and this is just amazing highlighter. I love this highlighter. This is the best highlighter I own. So I did a little bit of curls in my hair. I was so, during getting ready, I get so anxiety, like anxious. It's impossible for me to film. It's like really difficult for me to film. But yeah, I did my curls and I did put these, and I didn't do it. My mother did. That's why I couldn't film this also. But yeah, this is my hair. I'm gonna keep it this parting. I'm gonna keeping a little, 90s. This is like a 90s look, and yeah, this is a look. Let's get earrings, okay? So I am thinking of wearing this one maybe. This is looking nice. It's silver based. Everything is silver based. So let's. No necklace because this is very heavy. So I'm not gonna wear any necklace. Yes. This is like so typical 90s, right? Wearing earrings is a task with these nails. Oh, done. This looks okay, fine. What the fuck is this? I don't know. My hair is not at the best right now, but I just did what I had. Like, I didn't have time to, straighten it and smoothen it, then go for curls. I just curled it. It is still very looking rough, I know, but it'll have to do, okay? What for so many years, so I'm not gonna use lip liners. I'm gonna use this as a lip liner. This, not this. First lipstick ever. So I'm gonna use a lip gloss to hydrate my lips a little bit, so that it doesn't become so matte. This is a red lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. Don't put twice, then it's gonna be the worst. Like for these kinds of lipstick, right? It's not the best right now. Don't do like this, okay? Let it dry. Then we are gonna have to put another. Oh wait, on top of this only, let's put on another, because if it dries, then it's okay. That's it. Okay, let me show you the lips. I know the lighting is not the perfect. So this is my look right now. I'm gonna show you my whole outfit. Wait a minute. So I have these. I need to wear these. Everywhere. Close your nose. For my hands, I'm And for these portions, this is the most feminine perfume I own. This is actually from, I guess this is of Adidas woman. With this is Blissful Bouquet. It's the most iconic smell. I love this. This is from Miniso. Ooh, I love this. This is subtle, not, oh, this is not too strong. I don't like strong smells at all. Help me choose my bag. So this is the whole outfit. I do look cute. I am so confused between this one. This is very iconic 90s, right? It goes with the theme. It is pink, which goes nicely with. Wow, problem solved. Look at that. It just broke. It's actually very old. It's my mom's. It's very old. It is actually vintage. So we do have the only option, which is this one, which is also kind of cute, but yeah, this will do. So bye bye.